Whether you're looking for downtown views or the shopping, entertainment, and dining of the Fort Worth Stockyards, or even walking distance to the Trinity River trails, I've got the place for you. I'm Debbie Bird with League Real Estate, and this is 2228 Dalford Street. This home in the scenic bluffs is just under 2-year-old construction that effortlessly combines modern living with convenience. With condo-like living that covers the landscaping, sidewalks, retaining walls, community garden, and sitting area with fireplace, you also get your own small private yard for pets, grilling out, or drinking your morning coffee on the covered porch. At just over 2,100 square feet, this home looks as though it's never been lived in. It includes 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. For more information on this property or any of the ones around it, you can contact me directly, or you can go to the website at leaguere.com.